Welcome to Fast Fix. Today I will show you how to delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. So go and open your Instagram app and then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now I want you to tap on your activity. Here on recent searches, you will find here all the things you've searched before. So you can delete all of the recent searches. Now the next thing that you can do is go back to your profile page, then go to three lines, then settings and privacy. Then scroll down, go to help, and then tap on report a problem. Then report problem without shaking. Then don't include and continue. Here you can report a problem right here, or you can say like this: hello Instagram team, can you please delete search suggestions when typing? It was annoying for me. Thank you. So after that, we will have to wait for a few minutes or a few hours and wait for the answer of the Instagram team. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.